I am very excited about this new opportunity and grateful for the trust that has been placed in me. I am committed to working hard and making a positive contribution to the organization. I am eager to learn and grow in this new role, and I am confident that I can make a significant impact. My background and experience have prepared me well for this challenge, and I am excited to apply my skills and knowledge to help the organization achieve its goals. Firstly, I possess a strong work ethic, and I am always willing to go the extra mile to get the job done. Secondly, I am a team player, and I believe that collaboration is essential for success. Thirdly, I am a problem solver, and I am always looking for ways to improve processes and find innovative solutions. Fourthly, I am a quick learner, and I am always eager to acquire new skills and knowledge. Fifthly, I am a highly motivated and results-oriented individual, and I am committed to achieving excellence in everything I do. I understand that this new role comes with significant responsibilities, and I am prepared to meet those challenges head-on. I am confident as I can quickly adapt to the new environment and become a valuable member of the team. I am also aware of the importance of maintaining a positive attitude and fostering strong relationships with colleagues. I believe that a collaborative and supportive work environment is crucial for success, and I am committed to contributing to such an environment. I am also eager to learn from my colleagues and to share my own knowledge and expertise. I understand that continuous learning and development are essential for staying ahead in today's rapidly changing world, and I am committed to investing in my own professional growth. I am particularly interested in exploring new technologies and innovative approaches to problem solving. I believe that technology can play a significant role in improving efficiency and effectiveness, and I am eager to explore how we can leverage technology to achieve our goals. I am also committed to staying abreast of industry trends and best practices. I believe that it is important to continuously learn and adapt in order to remain competitive and to deliver the best possible results. I am also aware of the importance of ethical conduct and professional integrity. I am committed to upholding the highest standards of ethics and integrity in all my dealings. I believe that trust and transparency are essential for building strong relationships with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders. I am also committed to complying with all applicable laws and regulations. I understand that compliance is not just a legal obligation, but also a moral imperative. I am also aware of the importance of sustainability and environmental responsibility. I am committed to minimizing our environmental impact and to promoting sustainable practices. I believe that we have a responsibility to protect the environment for future generations. I am also committed to giving back to the community. I believe that it is important to support the communities in which we live and work. I am always looking for opportunities to volunteer my time and contribute to worthy causes. I am also a strong advocate for diversity and inclusion. I believe that a diverse and inclusive workplace is essential for fostering innovation and creativity. I am committed to creating an environment where everyone feels valued and respected. I am also a strong believer in the importance of work-life balance. I believe that it is important to maintain a healthy balance between work and personal life in order to avoid burnout and to maintain a high level of productivity. I am committed to managing my time effectively and to prioritizing tasks in order to achieve my goals while also maintaining a healthy work-life balance. I am also a strong communicator. I believe that clear and effective communication is essential for building strong relationships and for achieving shared goals. I am committed to communicating openly and honestly with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders. I am also a good listener. I believe that listening is just as important as speaking, and I am committed to actively listening to the perspectives of others. I am also a skilled negotiator. I believe that negotiation is an essential skill for resolving conflicts and for reaching mutually beneficial agreements. I am committed to negotiating in a fair and ethical manner. I am also a creative thinker. I believe that creativity is essential for innovation and for solving complex problems. I am committed to thinking outside the box and to finding innovative solutions. I am also a strategic thinker. I believe that strategic thinking is essential for achieving long-term goals. I am committed to developing and implementing strategies that will help the organization achieve its objectives. I am also a data-driven decision maker. I believe that decisions should be based on data and evidence rather than on intuition or guesswork. I am committed to using data to inform my decisions and to track my progress. I am also a continuous learner. I believe that learning is a lifelong process, and I am committed to continuously learning and developing my skills. I am always looking for new opportunities to learn and grow. I am also a mentor and coach. I believe that it is important to mentor and coach others in order to help them develop their skills and reach their full potential. I am committed to mentoring and coaching others and to sharing my knowledge and experience. I am also a leader. I believe that leadership is about inspiring and motivating others to achieve a common goal. I am committed to leading by example and to creating a positive and supportive work environment. I am also a results-oriented leader. I believe that leadership is about achieving results. I am committed to setting clear goals and to tracking progress towards those goals. I am also a collaborative leader. I believe that leadership is about working together to achieve common goals. I am committed to working collaboratively with others and to building strong relationships. I am also a servant leader. I believe that leadership is about serving others. I am committed to serving others and to putting their needs first. I am also a visionary leader. I believe that leadership is about having a vision for the future. I am committed to developing a vision for the future and to inspiring others to achieve that vision. I am also a transformational leader. I believe that leadership is about transforming organizations and creating positive change. I am committed to transforming organizations and to creating positive change. I am also a resilient leader. I believe that leadership is about overcoming challenges and bouncing back from setbacks. I am committed to overcoming challenges and to bouncing back from setbacks. I am also an ethical leader. I believe that leadership is about doing the right thing, even when it is difficult. I am committed to doing the right thing, even when it is difficult. I am also a passionate leader. I believe that leadership is about being passionate about what you do. I am committed to being passionate about what I do and to inspiring others to be passionate about what they do. I am also a humble leader. I believe that leadership is about being humble and recognizing that you are not always right. I am committed to being humble and recognizing that I am not always right. I am also a lifelong student of leadership. I believe that leadership is a lifelong journey, and I am committed to continuously learning and growing as a leader. I am also a student of the world. I believe that it is important to be aware of the world around us and to understand the challenges and opportunities that we face. I am committed to being a student of the world and to using my knowledge and skills to make a positive impact.